Hi guys, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. As you know, we have created a team members page using MetaBox and other page builders. However, in the event that you don't use any page builder or want to find another way to create a team members page, you can use MetaBox to do it. In today's practice, we're going to create a team members page using MetaBox only. As you can see, each member's information will be included in a box. We'll need a post type for team members, and all information about each member will be saved in a post. Name and image of the member are the titles and the featured images of the post. And other information such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail will be saved in different custom fields. Here are the tools we need for this practice. As I said before, I just use MetaBox to create a team members page in this practice. So I installed MetaBox Core plugin to create custom fields easily. It's free and available on WordPress.org. Besides, we also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can download and install them individually, or using MetaBox AIO to have all MetaBox extensions. The first extension is MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomies to create custom post types. The next one is MB Views to create WordPress templates without touching the themes file, as well as any page builders. We'll also need MetaBox Builder to have an intuitive UI to create custom fields in the backend. Let's move to the first step. Similar to other videos in this series, we need to create custom post types and custom fields for the post type. If you watched those videos, you can skip this step. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type. Then, you can easily see it here. All the information such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail is saved in different custom fields, so let's create them. Since I want to add some positions to choose from, so I choose a select field for the position field. Fill in the choice box with some options like this. Here, I just get the label of the field, so I just fill the label for each option. In the event that you want to set both the value and label of options, just follow this guide. For other fields such as Facebook, Instagram, and mail, we set them as URL fields like this. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select Team Member to apply these fields to this post type. Publish, and you will see the custom fields you created when creating a new post in Team Member. Just create posts and fill in the information as usual. Here are all the posts that I created. Since we do not use any page builder, we'll use MB Views to get the input data in the custom fields and display them on the front end. Even when you have a page builder on your site, you still can use the MB Views by this way. Go to the Views menu and add a new view. Then, I add some code in the Template tab. Let me explain it a bit. Here I create a variable to declare that we will get the data from the team member post type. This is the ID of the post type, you can change it to your one. This number means that I will get all the posts and display them all in one page. Just change the number as you want. There are some attributes that define the order of the posts here. We use this function to get the posts data from this variable that was declared above. I have a loop here to display the posts information. The first one will be the avatar of the member. It's the feature image of the post, so we use this function. For the information like social links, name, and short description, they are stored in the custom fields and default WordPress fields, so we use this function to get the data and display them. These are the IDs of the fields. Except the position information, it is stored in a select field, so we use this function instead. This function is to get the label of the option from the position field. In case you want to get the value of the option, use this function. These lines of code are just to get and display the data. For the styling, we need to add classes to the elements. Name them on your own. After having all the classes, move to the Settings section, choose Location as Page, and select Meet the Team page to apply this template to the page. Let's see how it displays in the front end. All the members' information was obtained. Next, we need some CSS to style this page. in the template that we've created in the previous step. Move to the CSS tab and add some CSS here. Update it and you will see the display in the front end like this. Now, it displays as I want. That's the end of today's practice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more upcoming tutorials. Bye.